If your computer is slow and you're running out of space, this video can literally give you 60 gigabytes plus of free storage in just a few minutes. And no, you don't need to download anything. Today, I'll show you how to clean your Windows system safely by removing cache and unnecessary files. First, right-click on Start and Open Run. Type Prefetch. Press OK and confirm administrator access. You'll see a lot of files here. Press Ctrl+A to select all, then Ctrl+D to delete. If some files don't delete, that's completely normal. Open Run again and type Temp. Select everything with Ctrl+A and delete with Ctrl+D. Now open Run one more time and type %temp%. Select everything and delete again. If some files stay, that just means they're in use, so just leave them. Go to this PC drive, Windows software distribution, download. These are leftover Windows update files. Select everything and delete it. Confirm administrator access if needed. Right-click your C drive and go to Properties. Click Disk Cleanup. Select all items, including Recycle Bin. Then click Clean Up System Files. This will remove a large amount of unnecessary data. Go to Properties, Tools, Optimize. If you're using an HDD, you can run optimization. If you have an SSD, you can skip this step. Now open Command Prompt as administrator. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and run it. This will clear your DNS cache. Open Run again and type WS reset. This will clear the Windows Store cache. Wait a few moments until it finishes. If this video helped you free up space, drop a like so more people can see it, and subscribe if you want more quick and useful tips like this.